was easy to solve mathematics quickly and learned very much from Vedic mathematics. In TV program will come in Chandana Tatanta Hedi, in that maths problems will come. I solved all those things using Vedic mathematics. I solved it very quickly and I got correct answers.
Hi, I'm Sylvian Rutundo. I'm working for Tatva Thinkers as a tutor for Vedic mathematics from 3 months. I have completed my 2 batches and it was very wonderful working for Vedic mathematics for my students. Actually, the students were very cooperative. Yeah, there was some problem for them to understand as this was a very new concept for them. But finally, when you look at the result, yeah, it's good. I think it should be utilized in all the schools so that if it is started from the basics, they will be eagerly very happy to learn that, and also it would be easy for them for their future also.
Hi everyone, I'm Supriya. I'm working for Tatva Thinkers as a tutor. I have finished only 1 batch for juniors. It was very nice spending time with students. Actually, there were many problems while learning for students because this is very new, this is old concept, but they took very time to mingle. It was nice teaching to the students. Thank you.